Here is how to change tax rate in Xero, step by step. Begin by opening the transaction where the tax rate needs to be updated. In Xero, that could be an invoice under Sales and Invoices, a bill under Purchases and Bills, or a bank transaction, if that is where the entry was created. Go to the appropriate area for the type of transaction you are working with, then select the specific record so it opens in full view. Once the transaction is open, move into Edit mode. If the transaction is already approved and Xero allows changes, click Edit to make the fields available. If you are entering the transaction for the first time, create it as a new transaction instead. The goal at this stage is to get to the version of the form where the line items can be changed. With the transaction ready for editing, look at the line items section. This is the area where each product, service, or expense line appears. In that grid, find the tax rate column. It sits next to the account field, so if you are scanning across the row, look for the account first and then the tax rate field beside it. Make sure you are working on the correct line item before changing anything, especially if several rows use different accounts. Now select the new tax rate. Click the tax rate drop-down menu on the line you want to update, then choose the tax rate that should apply to that item. Xero will display the available tax options for your organization, and you can select the one that matches the transaction. This change applies to that line item, so take a moment to confirm you picked the intended rate before moving to the next row. If the transaction includes more than one line item, repeat the same action where needed. Go through each row and update the tax rate field only on the lines that require a different rate. Some transactions will have a mix of taxable and non-taxable items, so it is worth checking each line individually rather than assuming one selection should apply everywhere. After the tax rates are updated, review the totals shown on the transaction. Xero recalculates the tax amount and the overall total automatically based on the tax rate selected for each line. Look over those figures and confirm that the updated amounts match what you expect to see. This is the point to catch any line that may still have the previous tax rate attached to it. When everything looks correct, save the change. Depending on the transaction type and its current status, click Save, Approve, or Update to apply the revised tax rate to the transaction. Once that is done, the transaction will retain the new tax settings you selected. The tax rate on your Xero transaction is now updated and saved.